9 kitchen design mistakes you don't want to make. Part 1. The biggest mistake that I see homeowners making when it comes to selecting kitchens or before they renovate their kitchen is going to the big box stores. Yes, I know that this makes sense. It'd be the first stop for many people to go to, but I have yet to see a nice display of a kitchen or even a bathroom for that matter in one of these big box stores. I don't know if they're just trying to show you the whole lot of everything that they've got to sell and they just mash it all together, or if their designer actually thinks that the design that they're showcasing is beautiful. It really is so discouraging when I see this because kitchens cost tens of thousands of dollars. And for you to waste your money because you've been inspired or you think you've been inspired by a kitchen design company like the big box stores, it's just not the place to go. So whether it's the style, whether it's the countertops, whether the backsplash, none of it is ever put together in a way that it should be. That's it. So I suggest that you look to hiring someone, even if it's a 2-hour consultation to get some advice from a professional or going into an actual custom kitchen design place. Be aware of who is inspiring you for your, expensive renovation that you want to love.